Hello, welcome back to another lecture. So in this lesson, all we are going to be covering is how to edit your components in the assembly. So now we have our components here, and please make sure you save your work. So for anything we are going to be doing in this lecture, I don't want you to save it. So save your work now. So to edit a component, we'll pick this board for this example. And to edit this board, all we can do is right click and right up here. And if you don't know what any of this mean, and when you hover over it, it actually tells you what it means. So I can edit that part itself, and if I click edit parts, it turns all the rest of this assembly into wireframe, and this board is blue, which indicates that I'm in edit mode. And is indicating it up here, and it's right here, edit components, and the board is blue and only that board is showing. So that means I'm in edit mode with that board, and you can go down here and just right click on anything you want to edit. For example, if I want to edit that sketch, I'll right click on it. Now I'm in that sketch mode. I can go normal to and change. Let's say I want to change that to 15. So I'll change it to 15, exit, and exit. And as you can see, that board actually changed in the assembly. So another way you can do is I can right click and edit that feature. And that feature will just be that extrude for that sketch. So let's change it to something drastic. So let's try 10, and I'll click OK and exit out. And as you can see, that is bleeding into there, but what we need to do is click our update, and when we click the update, that board actually readjusts itself 10. So that is pretty much how you edit a part, and you can also edit it in the original SolidWorks screen by right clicking on it and clicking open part. And if we edit a feature here, I'll just edit that feature again and change it to something drastic, 20, and click OK. So when I go back into my assembly, it's going to have this dialog box that do I want to apply it, and I click yes, and now it has applied that change. So anyway, that is how you edit a part in an assembly. And please don't save this, so X out of it, and I'm just showing you just for an example. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.